we are
back again. This is my mommy.
And this is Coco. So, in our previous videos, we've been doing a lot of science experiments, right, Co? Well, we are going to switch it up just a little bit in today's video. So in today's video, it is all about Dakota showing how well she has been practicing identifying letters, sounds, and even naming nouns that begin with each letter in the alphabet. So Dakota, are you ready to show them?
Check it out.
Okay, so I am going to show Dakota all of the letters in the alphabet, and she has to tell me a noun that begins with each letter, and she has to, of course, identify the letter and the sound. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Here we go.
You ready?
What letter?
A for apple. A for astronaut.
Oh, good job. A for apple, A for astronaut. What sound does the letter A make?
Astronaut and apple.
Good job. What letter?
But for doll.
For what?
Ball.
For ball. Good job. What letter is this?
B.
Good job. What letter?
C for cat. Meow.
What sound does the letter C make? Say c.
C for cat. Meow. My cats like to do this.
That's right, but let's not lick ourselves. What letter?
The for dog.
Good job. What letter is this?
D.
Good
for
job,
dog.
D.
They chase cat. They chase cats.
Let's keep going. What letter?
E.
E. Good job. What sound does it make? Eh. Good job.
For elephant.
For elephant. Good job. What letter?
F.
F. Good job.
For fish.
Good job. For fish. What sound does the letter F make?
For fish. It's
Good
a
job.
girl one.
What letter? G.
G for gorilla.
G for gorilla. Good job. What sound does the letter G make? G.
The gorillas do this one.
That's right. What letter?
H.
H. Good job, Cole. What sound does the letter H make? H is for what?
Tiger.
H.
Hat.
Good job. Say. Good job. Good job. What letter?
T.
Say I.
I. For igloo.
Good job. I is for igloo. What sound does the letter I make? E. What letter?
Candy cane.
It looks like a candy cane. What letter is that? Say J.
J. It looks like a candy cane.
It does. What sound does the letter J makes?
J.
For
Umbrella.
J.
Jackie.
For Jackie. Good job, Cole.
So, we won't make you sick.
That's right. What letter?
K.
Good job. What sound does the letter K make? K.
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 Cat.
No, that's the letter C. They do have the same sound. But what is for, give me a noun that begins with the letter K. K. Say kite.
Kite.
Good job. Here we go. What letter?
Diamond.
Diamond. Yes, a kite does look like a diamond. Good connection. Look, what letter?
L.
L. Good job.
The L. I see the L right there.
Good job. The L is in the living room. Good job. L is for what?
Vampire.
Are you being silly? L is for what? Coda, what is L for?
Lollipop.
Lollipop. Thank you. What about this one?
Taste a rainbow.
Which one is this one? Which letter? Which letter is this?
M.
Good job. M. Okay, what sound does it make? Nope. M.
Muffin.
Muffin. Good job.
No.
What letter?
N.
N. Good job. What sound does the letter N make? N.
Nas.
Good job. N. For N is for nest. What letter?
O.
O. What sound does O make? I.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Good job.
I like ostrich.
What letter?
P.
P.
For
What's it?
pig.
Good job. What sound does the letter P makes?
P. For pig.
Good.
Pigs like oink, oink, oink.
Good job.
And they play in mood.
That's right.
But I don't play it. I play in Putty Pillows.
Girl.
Pigs and Putty Pillows.
You are so silly, Kyle. What letter is this?
Qu.
Good job. It does make the quack sound. What letter is it?
It's for question.
It's for question. Good job. But what letter is it? Say Q.
Q.
Good job.
For question.
Good job. What letter is this?
R.
R. What sound does it make?
R.
Mm-hmm. What sound?
R.
No, not R. For
Is it
r.
ring?
Ring. Good job. That's a good noun. What letter?
C.
What letter is this?
Mm,
You don't know? Say S.
S for snake.
Good job. All right, so Cole lost this alphabet. I don't want to say it. She lost this card, so I had to make up one, right? Using the index card. Coda, what letter is this?
T.
Good job. T. Can you guys see it? That light is so bright. Letter T. All right, sit down. What sound does the letter T make?
Over there.
It is over there too. What sound does the letter T make?
T. T.
Good job.
Tiger.
Tiger. Good job.
Rah.
What letter is this?
Q.
U.
U.
For
For umbrella, cover your head.
umbrella. Good job. What sound does it make?
U.
What sound does it make? Say What about this one? What about this one?
Y.
Nope. Similar.
Similar.
That is the letter V. Say V.
V right there.
What sound does the letter V make? V.
Base.
Good job. Vase. What letter is this?
The base right there.
What letter is this? Stop
M.
scratching your face.
M.
Nope. It looks like an upside down M. What letter is this?
Like
Say W. Say
W.
W. What sound does the letter W make?
Watch.
Good job. W is for watch. What sound does it make? What? Good job. What letter is this?
X.
X. What sound does it make?
For fox.
Good job. Okay. What letter is this? What? Y. Good job. What sound does the letter Y make?
Yeah for yo-yo.
Good job. This.
Z for zebra.
Thank you. Good job, Coda. Good job. Give me a high five. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys a little song that I like to do with Dakota. And I like to sing this song when we are like doing car rides or randomly when she's taking a bath or just I just really incorporate it any time throughout the day. This is like our phonics song. A.
Apple.
B.
Ball.
C. C.
Cat.
D.
Dog.
E.
Elephant.
F.
Fish.
G.
Gorilla.
Good job. H.
Hat.
I.
Igloo.
J.
Jacket.
Good job. K.
Cat.
No. Key.
Key.
L.
Lollipop.
Good job. M.
Muffin.
N.
Nest.
O.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Good job. P.
Pig.
Q. Quack.
Queen.
Good job. R. Rubber.
Ring.
Ring. Good job. S.
Sun.
Good job. T. Tiger. Good job. U. Umbrella. V.
Base.
W.
Watch.
X.
Box.
Good job. Y.
Yo-yo.
Z.
Zebra.
26 letters. 26 letters in the alphabet. In the alphabet. Good job. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you very much, much, much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome very much, much.
Good job. So an important goal I have set for Dakota is for her to become a fluent reader. And I like to engage in different phonics activities, with this being one of them. It doesn't really take much. You just really have to go with the flow when it comes to your child. It is important that she understands that different words make up letters and each letter has a sound. So that way, when she begins to read, then she probably wouldn't struggle as much. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.